That property, 800,000 naira. Came in a promo and ngobala. You know, wasaka there's because not fully aware that now this property one thing no na real estate managing na property are genuine. Like I'm like one of my chairman from South Africa. So now my hajrum was a better naka. It is sure na here na property. I said, I could have say, I'll retell him. If this is the convention, then now look at it. Now, this lands as of an Imo State. I'm a Imo State. Maybe one or River State, I'm not sure negotiation. But in the Imo State, I'm on negotiation here. I'm on the table. A way agreement between our family or community or individual. A way agreement about this land. Man on ga ekwete say okay, ala I ga-ere so company ekwete okay, I ga-azụkwa so ngwa ya ba na the issue of omenala anum kwena nte awo ji mesoro toji eme omenala mere kwena nte nka anyị na-azụ ehi when you are buying up to 500 1000 plots of land kwena nte ihe na-ewu ewu ka na-eburu ya na omenala ndị nnukwu ego. I wanted to kind of 2.5, 3 million, depending on how and their own omenala. We buy this extra guy zonama, the buttery family. Hey, with account, I pay go. When I etia kana kuko. I'm not mean out. A bidon no such way based on Bubagodi because I'm omenala Bubagodi bulldozer. Great everywhere. Nobody come out. Say, hey, na here wala na. So I have witnessed these things. I have been part of the process. I have been, so this company na name. Then there's now was he buy this land. I go get out of ignorance. I go get out of misinformation. I go get so. One of them. Thank you. Yes. So you cannot come. So now go get say Allah na wala pine leave Zuria. I mean what I'm saying, and I am part of it. So if you say, oh, okay, I give you the information you need. So that the here now trust verification. But I am another here sometimes the because of our attachment to land. A lot of community will maybe an individual when they child and they regret what. Yeah, and I hear Allah at the end of the day. I have seen, or maybe we were here, really, but I don't know that pine leaf. Allah na has wale ugo. Another family, they say lay you a claim. Say go another. Hey, lay a claim na the Allah de genin. But he has to settle the qua. You might pine leaf name. Or no kurunu 50 million, or kurunu 100 million. I guess 100 million. On me, I go another that na OG the money more work. Get that name. Thank you. That name. Name. Then, or it's like Allah. Really, a facility to be everywhere to customers. Now, I want to use a lap I live. You know, na equal bush entry. You know, na equal community. Youth, I say, just you have bought this land with because I start to go. Yeah, I'm many settlement. So, Barag just negi settle under there. Nothing like community na community abia kawa akoko na everybody there. It's not a leave you will acquire that deed of conveyance na your original survey plan location number with the letter Ejiriaga to lands eba na emesi of O. Ibarasi of Ogi Jide and how name let's get say na you ga run la ihe dị ụta no you cannot all less maybe die I mean a housing scheme na 1 bedroom just all the uniform but even quarters for uniform buildings each is zero 1 bedroom flat for 14 million 2 bedroom flat for 22 million 3 bedroom flat for 27 million. Well, I decorate to go a paint here. I know. Tiga wardrobe, Tiga sink, all those. I know. Finishing cases. Then Napala, I could go board all these new board and for palọ dị na mama ihe niile na adịgo fit fit go in just buy and buru bed gị ga hiwegodo ha ihe na for low income earners you're going to get as in at least 3 years ị na-akwụ ego ụgwọ you need is rich check as you when we zo na I want to ka ngwazie gị na dede as in from him matara na pine leaf anyị na stress onwe anyị n'ụlọ anyị ihe niile anyị hụrụ anyị stress ka anyị na-enye onwe anyị ọ dị izu ụta na ebe a na ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ala here you can pay them within 3 years within 5 years arrangement gị ha abịaghị arụ ọrụ gị na-arụ gị ihe niile ịkwụ ịga at least maybe 20% of cost agwara gị ga-eji arụ ihe a now okay how many bedroom bungalow or duplex check here look ihe ọwụ now what you need to do is pay in 20% arụ ọrụ gị arụcha ya a ga-arụcha ya within specified time be like when you pack in jiri nwaanyị na-akwụ ha ụgwọ see bro you know this company agbawala that is ha agbawala onye ọbụla isi I'm telling you the truth I have the opportunity people grab Ghana ị nwere ala 2 plots gị 1 plot gị ị chọrọ ịrụ okay ka m rụta 3 bedroom gịnị 4 bedroom duplex 3 bedroom bungalow ihe ahụ kedu ga-meet the pine leaf HK cost maybe I saw 100 million I saw 70 million okay just pay in ozugbo ahụ pay in 20% of the cost of the yes ihe niile ahụ ị chọrọ ka ọ dịrị ya ozugbo a emechazie mewezie as in itiwezie your properties nye gị bill what 20% of it
of the value
ha ga-arụ ya
ga-ekwaba this is going to be ready at 6 months or 4 months or 8 months just prepare your mind to move into your home.
That is that. So you know,
for that period, you should be looking for money to pay off upfront.
As in, no.
Now, but then when they are building, you're on your own now in a rented apartment. You understand? So your own is you are waiting for the specified time to move into that house that you have agreement of.
Yeah.
Right. Then they leave you
jollof.
When you jollof. That's limit of when you are waiting. You are doing your business, making your money, finding your money. If you are a smart person again, you want to make them that yes, this is real, 100%. You can still give them anything you want out of the period they have given you.
And you can be paying in. You go to pay in. Like but when means of when constant means of income.
That's
most of Igbo when a constant means of income.
That's just the game. So when you can break one person, you break 2 people, you break 100 people already.
Exactly. So I remember because some few years ago, when we did unify Igbo, when we did not get that. One woman, that woman king in the Delta. When we got on a chamoko nisi no ka akpọkọta ndị eze niile nọ na Ikwere kpọkọta ndị eze niile ka ha kwete na ha push when they that I never knew that it has processes. But mgbe m gara n'aka that woman ka o ji calm m down kọwara m si onye ajụrụ ajụ a na-ajụ onwe ya ma ọkwa n'imezi ebe gị ndị mmadụ achọwa ịbata that if I don't start na in fact I say if I don't start the campaign na m gawa ndị Igbo ji ego ndị Igbo bi na Abuja ndị Igbo nọ n'ahịa na m were this energy nji na-agwa ndị Ikwere wuri ka ha kwete ma ọwụ ka ha mewe Igbo ha na m were that energy jiri fuse into convince billionaires to invest in Igbo. That is all. And after all, she's late now. Yes, she's late now. And we have to continue resting. After all, that is Koku Ahunji. Biazie Piamontale. Emitted me 2022. Kamala went interview. Look at 2023. 2024 January or 2023. Yeah. I can begin to see the sense, the meaning that in a progressive land attracts people.
Yes.
The reason why most of Indi Ukwere does not, most of all this in the Nasobia, most of them does not travel. ụfọdụ ha bịabeghị this side. Ndị bikwere n'Ọnịcha, onye ikwere biri Ọnịcha can never deny his Igbo-ness. Onye opobo bịara biri n'Aba, o nweghị ihe ga-akọrọ ya na owu onye Igbo ya ekwute. Ma ndị nke na-abịa ahịa, ọ ndị ahụ ndị na-ekwute, ndị na-abịa azụrụ ahịa. So itresi we ha, itresi ọkpụtọrọkpụ ha wee Igbo. Ihe ochie ha wee Igbo. So it's just with evolution na ihe nke na-ada anaghị agbanwe. That is the thing. It starts from building and living. So because when you make this place attractive, they will come.
See, Asabuja now, this general Asabuja.
Asabuja igwuru n'ọkụ. Asabuja igwuru n'ọkụ. Asabuja Igbo. Igbo ka Igbo.